Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever tried to cut a piece of lumber while balancing it on whatever you can find in the garage, milk crates, cinder blocks, or even a couple of sawed-off shelves, you already know how frustrating it is to work without proper support. Today, we're looking at a solution that's been making waves in the DIY and trades communities, the BORA Jobhorse Saw Horses. These aren't traditional sawhorses. You won't find a ready-made frame here. Instead, BORA gives you heavy-duty steel brackets designed to turn simple, off-the-shelf lumber into a rugged, fully customizable workhorse you can rely on. Priced at $42 for a pair of brackets, the concept is simple but bold. Give people the hardware and let them build the ideal support for their own workspace. Clean, compact, and built for real-world conditions, they promise stability, smart design, and serious versatility. So, are they worth your hard-earned cash? Let's dive in and find out. Let me tell you, if you're like me and you're constantly grabbing whatever's around the garage to prop up lumber, be it cinder blocks, old pallets, or prayer stands, then the BORA Jobhorse Saw Horses are going to be a game changer. These aren't your flimsy, wobbly fold-up sawhorses from the big box store. Made from heavy-duty steel with a 1,000-pound capacity per pair, they're built serious. I've used them to support everything from 2x10s to an old oak door I was refinishing, and there's zero flex, no shake, just rock-solid stability. What stood out right away is how easy they are to assemble. I slapped together a full sawhorse in under 10 minutes using a pair of 8-foot 2x4s I already had in the back shed. That's the beauty of the design. It gives you flexibility. You're not locked into fixed dimensions. You can choose the length and even the thickness of your crossbeam to suit your needs. That's not just practical, it's smart engineering. Now, I'll be honest, I was a little skeptical at first. $1.42 for just the brackets? You don't get the wood, that's up to you. But once I started using them, I realized it's kind of the whole point. Not everyone has the same height requirements or workspace. I wanted something taller than standard for better ergonomics when sanding or cutting vertically, so I used longer 2x4s. I've also seen people use 2x6s or even 2x8s if they want a beefier build. And storage? Unbeatable. When the project wraps up, just pop off the lumber, fold the legs, and store the brackets flat. They take up almost no space in the shop or truck. That's huge if you're like me and don't have a dedicated woodworking studio, just a double garage that doubles as a family parking zone during winter. One thing I want to stress is how stable these are on uneven ground. I've used them in the backyard on grass, on gravel, even on slightly sloped terrain, and the leg design, slanting slightly outward, really helps lock them in. I made sure, like the instructions hint, to align the toothed clamps flush with the board so there's no twisting or shifting during a cut. Pro tip: when folding or unfolding, keep your fingers clear of the hinge mechanism. I learned that the hard way. Just a pinch, nothing serious, but enough to remind me to be careful. These aren't meant to be climbed on, and I don't think BORA claims they are. But for supporting materials, cutting trim, building a garden gate, or a fence frame, they're absolutely perfect. I recently built a chicken coop with mine, and every time I had to cut or assemble something, it was right there, dependable and solid. Let's talk pros and cons because no product is flawless. On the plus side, the build quality is excellent, thick steel, clean welding, and despite a few mixed reports, mine arrived with zero rust or chipped paint. That said, I can see how paint damage might happen in shipping since the components are exposed. Maybe a little extra padding in the box would help. And while the capacity is impressive, remember, you need 2 sets of brackets to make one complete sawhorse. That's easy to miss if you're just skimming the packaging. I recommend buying 2 packs right off the bat, unless you only need a single leg set, which I can't really imagine. Also, while I appreciate not having to store bulky sawhorses, I do wish they included at least one pair of compatible 2x4s, just as a starter. For $42, it feels like a missed opportunity to round out the package. Where these really shine is adaptability. I've used them way beyond their intended purpose. Need a temporary workbench? Done. Holding up a door while installing hinges? Perfect. Even makeshift scaffolding for painting the garage trim. At ground level, mind you, not stacked. And when the season rolls around, I've used them to support garden beds or even as frame bases for holiday decorations. They're not just tools, they're enablers. You stop thinking, how am I going to hold this? And start thinking, what am I going to build next? That mental shift, that's the sign of a tool that works. At the end of the day, these aren't flashy. They don't have lights or motors or Bluetooth. But they solve a fundamental problem: support with elegance, durability, and versatility. If you're a weekend warrior, a homeowner tackling projects, or even a pro who needs reliable, portable support on site, the BORA Jobhorse brackets are worth every penny. Are they perfect? Not quite. Minor paint issues, the need to source your own lumber, and that little finger hazard, but the strengths far outweigh the flaws. For under $50, you're getting a piece of gear you'll reach for on nearly every project. I know I do. Solid investment, solid build, solid performance. Three things every DIYer can appreciate. If you're ready to stop improvising with wobbly supports and build with real confidence, it's time to lock in a pair of BORA Job Horses. Don't let your next project rest on shaky ground. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more tools that earn their place in the workshop.